Welcome to ServiceNow Ticket Management. During this e-course, we will cover best practices on how to manage tickets in ServiceNow. We will cover ticket identification, ticket assignment, SLAs, customer contact, work notes comments, ticket state, and ticket resolution. Let's begin. Start by going to arlingtonva.service-now.com. Once you have successfully logged into ServiceNow, you'll be brought to the ITIL homepage. Below here, you will see a section labeled My Work. These are tickets that are assigned directly to you. My Tasks, tasks that are assigned directly to you. And directly below that are My Group's Unassigned Work. These are tickets that have been assigned to your support group but have not yet been assigned to an individual on your team. You may also go to the Incident module and click on Assign to Me. You will also find tickets that have been directly assigned to you here. Ticket assignment. Once you are in an incident, you will notice that the service offering will determine the assignment group. Within that assignment group, there are support team members. You can select the appropriate team member who will be assigned this ticket. If you are assigning a ticket to someone other than yourself on your team, be sure that you have a verbal confirmation that they are accepting this assignment. Make note in the work notes section of the ticket that you have confirmed. If you happen to have been assigned a ticket that is incorrect and it does not belong to your team, we should reassign the ticket. Click on the magnifying glass and type DTS. We are going to assign it back to the DTS TSC Help Desk group. Once you have selected this group, you will click Submit. If it's been determined that this is a Priority 1 or Priority 2 ticket based on the impact and urgency, please give the help desk an actual phone call to confirm that you are reassigning this ticket to the TSC. Service Level Agreement. Each ticket within ServiceNow has an associated service level agreement that is determined by the priority. The priority is determined by the selected impact and urgency. For Priority 4, the response time is 1 hour and the resolution time is 7 days. You can always determine and find out the SLA associated with your ticket by coming down to the Task SLA section of the incident. For a Priority 3 ticket, the response time is 1 hour and the resolution time is 2 days. For a Priority 2 ticket, the response time is 30 minutes and the resolution time is 1 day. For a Priority 1 ticket, the resolution time is 8 hours. Be sure to monitor the resolution and response time for all tickets. Customer contact. When communicating with a customer in a ticket, you have several options. First, we will explore using the additional comments section to communicate directly with the customer using ServiceNow. You can write messages here requesting additional information that may be needed to help resolve the ticket. and this information will be communicated directly to the customer. They will receive an email notification stating that they have received additional comments. They can check these comments or questions within the self-service portal. They would click My Tickets, click on the corresponding ticket, and they will be able to see the agent's message. Within this platform, the customer may also communicate directly back to the agent by typing a message on this form. They can provide whatever the requested information was, as well as maybe an attachment if needed. This keeps all communication regarding this particular ticket within the ticket. Once the customer has responded, the agent will be able to see their response within the ticket. It'll be listed as an activity under the Notes section within ServiceNow. If the agent decides to call the customer instead, the agent needs to document this communication type. Within Work Notes, this section is only visible to fulfiller agents in the system. Document all attempts to contact the customer. Always remember to update the ticket. In addition, there is a 3-attempt rule. If the agent has attempted to contact the customer 3 times and has not received a response, they may go ahead and resolve the ticket. Be sure to document each time that you have attempted to contact the customer. Be sure to also try 2 different forms of communication: a phone call or Microsoft Teams chat. If the agent is not able to reach the customer, once they document their 3rd attempt, they may go ahead and resolve the ticket. If the customer is still having an issue, they will be required to open a new ticket. Before resolving a ticket, you are required to enter a resolution code as well as resolution notes. Select the appropriate fields. Work Notes Comments. In the ticket, under the Notes tab, there is a section labeled Work Notes. You will use this field to document steps and tasks taken to resolve the ticket. This section is only visible to fulfillers within the ServiceNow system. The additional comments field will be used to communicate directly with the customer. Work Notes Lists. You can add yourself and others to the Work Notes list if you want to be able to get notifications about work notes that have been added to this ticket. Once again, this is available to fulfillers only. Once you've added the correct people, you can lock the list. If you want to add yourself or others to the watch list, you may do so using the same steps. The watch list is to view all work notes and additional comments. Anyone added on this list will receive email notifications that new communications have been added to the ticket. All comments, no matter what section they've been listed in, will be listed as an activity within the ticket. Ticket state. Each ticket has a different state associated with the ticket. This can also be considered the status. Ticket states include new, in progress, on hold, resolved, and canceled. If you select to put a ticket on hold, you will be prompted to choose a reason for selecting on hold. These options are: you're awaiting a response from the caller, you're awaiting a change from maybe change control, awaiting problem. This is considered when the incident is part of a problem ticket and you're waiting for a resolution to the actual problem, and then the incident can be resolved separately. Lastly, awaiting vendor. Possibly you are awaiting an upgrade for the software from the vendor. These are all reasons to place a ticket on hold. Resolution. Once you have come to the point where the ticket is ready to be resolved, be sure that you have documented all steps taken to resolve the ticket in the Work Notes section. Once this has been completed, click on the Resolution Information tab and then select the appropriate resolution code from the drop-down menu. Add additional detailed description and resolution notes of how the ticket was resolved. Under the Task SLA, here you can see the deadline in which the task for this ticket was supposed to be completed, the stage the ticket is currently in, as well as the elapsed time since work has begun on this ticket. Once you click Resolve, the time clock on this particular ticket stops. You can double check the amount of time spent working on this ticket by going to the Task SLA section again, and it will show you the start and end time. This is how you appropriately resolve a ticket. To request additional support for training, please visit the ServiceNow Self-Service portal, click on Catalog, browse by categories, select the ServiceNow Administration, then click on Requests for Information. Select ServiceNow from the application list, and in the description box, simply type requesting information or additional training and submit.